Hey guys, this is my stolen cheater bike check. I'll start my way up to the front, work to the back. Alright, in the front I got a Colony clone front hub in black. Got a Primo 7 Series rim in red. And black Primo spokes. And I got a Fly Rubin tire, 2.25s. And I got a G-Sport forks in black. Colony official black stem. You can see the stars right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And stock bars, 8.15 rise, 27 width. Red ODI grips with ODI bar ends, nice and comfy. And black donuts. Rush brake lever with black brake cable. Yeah, and FSA Impact headset. And a stolen cheater frame, 20.75 Toptube. Red premium pivotal seat skull. You can see the skull right there. Pretty sick. Got a Primo seat post and some kind of seat clamp in black. And I got a fit 3-piece cranks and a 23 tooth fit sprocket and a KMC chain. And got Steve Hamilton animal PC pedals in red. It's pretty cool. It's clear. Rush brakes with clear brake pads because I'm running a red rim, but the color will come off anyways, but slower, I suppose. Yeah. And I also got a Primo bottom bracket. I don't know if you can see that, but it's Primo. Yeah. And I also got a Colony clone back hub and laced to a Primo 7 Series rim in red. Black Primo spokes, fit FAF back tire, 2.25 also. And here's my hub sound. Pretty loud, but yeah, I like it. And yeah, it's my bike check. If you got any questions, comment below and I'll answer them. And rate my bike and subscribe. And that's my stolen cheater bike check.